In today's tech video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Disney Plus if it's not working on your Hisense smart TV. Okay, I'm going to show you really simple ways to try and fix this problem. Now the first one, it's probably the easiest one. What I'm going to want you to do is to unplug your TV from the wall outlet and wait 60 seconds. Then plug it back in. Now be patient, wait the whole 60 seconds. This is very different than turning off your TV with the remote control, so make sure you do it exactly like this. Okay, if that doesn't work, then try this last method. What you're going to want to do is delete the Disney Plus app. So go into your app store or wherever it's at on your TV, delete the app, and then reinstall it again. You'll probably have to log back in with all your credentials, but hopefully this will fix your problem. Well, hopefully this fixed your problem. If it did, go ahead and click a thumbs up on this video. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.